Seven Hills Production Foundation is the nonprofit arm of Seven Hills Production. We work with students that has an interest in television and film and internship, mentorship. We really pretty much offer scholarships and various things for students that are interested in the space of television and film. So really understanding the business side of entertainment and what that entails. We have partnerships with universities, colleges, and trade schools. We were with another company for a couple of years prior to discovering BoldSign. So they reduced down a lot of the offerings. Me and the team, we researched, and then that's when we discovered BoldSign. For some of our documents that need to be signed, different documents that needed to be just viewed, where everybody can kind of view it and make any adjustments or changes, give comments and stuff. It's easy to upload documents in bulk, and I love the reminders that you're able to put on the documents. So you can do like so many reminders. Then it gives you the dates that it will remind whoever you're sending stuff to, or you can kind of adjust those according to whatever your preference is. For example, we have some stuff that we sent out to students just as a reminder, put the number of reminders on there. It gives the option for auto reminder. We put that on there, and then, you can name the documents. I like the layout. I do. It's easy to navigate. It's very friendly use, easy to use. The trail, because it shows you step by step when they open the document, at what time. It touches all of that. It tells you if they closed the document, how many times they came back in. Once they sign the document, you receive an email to say, hey, this person has opened the document. You'll receive an email from that. Then it'll tell you how many times they signed or reviewed the document. It just gives you their email address, and then you can have it where you can put like a code. You can have the signature embedded. It tells you a lot of information that is really important. I really like the audit trail because you get a chance to see everything, because you have sometimes folks may not or cannot remember that they received a document from you, or they just cannot find it anymore, but you're able to see and view all of that. For what we need it for, it works perfect. I have no complaints.